All right, everyone. We are going to look at PNG here, and this one may be a little bit longer. I redid the whole chart here because I wanted to get an accurate reading of what is going on with PNG here and what prices we need to watch. Which, if you know and you've watched the channel here before, we are still extremely bullish inside this bull flag pattern here. Now, looking at the chart here, I drew from the high to this low here instead of the scam wick here, and it paints a little bit better of a picture in my opinion. You can see that if you drew this chart here and you walked away, it hit the 236 perfectly here, got rejected, came back down. Ultimately, it did dip down below the bottom, which we could always draw a million different fib levels to find out where they bounced at, but we're not even going to worry about that right now because I'm going to show you something here. Now, once you got that bottom here, if you were to ignore this once again and drew a fib from the low here to that high inside this last pattern here, you can see it came up, and this 382 level here at, what is that, 6, 7 held perfectly, and then you got stuck right there at the 236 at 9, and then you just blasted out of here, out of that pattern. So just wanted to point that out. Now if we do the same thing here, going from inside this pattern, the low to the wick high here, you can see the 382 got tagged down here, and right now we're back above and sitting on the macro 0.5, and we do have this 236 we're getting stuck at, just like it did back here. So it may be the moment we break over 45 here, 45 and a half, that may tell us we're about to spike out of here. So just keep that in mind, and then as long as we're above yet again, just like on the other chart we were looking at, this 382 here at 3.1. So as long as you're above 3.1, 31 cents, I would say PNG is extremely bullish inside this pattern to continue moving higher. Now, by going on this chart now, you can see we are above the 0.5 after that strong move up over the macro 236 at 10, blasted right through the 382, all the way up perfectly to the 0.5, and then now we've been holding that as support, as you can see here. So in my opinion, if we want more accurate prices, this makes a lot more sense to me. Now, I did have to end up changing the target at the 1272 here. It is now $20.18, a $4.4 billion market cap, and going from today right over that support, we are looking at about a 49x on PNG here. So it looks good in my opinion. We're in the bull pattern, or the bull pattern inside this bull flag over the 0.5 support. And then once we get moving over that smaller price, I think she's going to start having a nice run out of this pattern here. Of course, we're going to keep it simple though. As long as you're over 3.9 down to 3.1, you are extremely bullish. And we could spike up 75% from where we are right now to the 618 at 71. And if we have a large move like last time, even all the way up to the 786 at 168 and come up 300%. So she may do a 4x out of this pattern here, just to be clear. So comment down below, what do you think of the new chart here? Does it work? And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.